it's Housewife in Heels, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing with my first ever pair of Stuart Weitzman heels. So let's get right into it because I'm excited to show you these shoes. I was out at the mall yesterday and I decided to go take a peek into Stuart Weitzman because I've heard that these shoes are really comfortable. And I thought, might as well. Might be a little bit of fun just to go ahead and try them on. And I did, and I fell in love with them. And you'll notice I got 2 dust bags. That's because I specifically asked for that, so Stuart Weitzman doesn't always give 2 dust bags, but if you ask, they'll give it to you. So just throwing that out there. We got our pretty tissue, says Stuart Weitzman on it, but I'm more interested in what's in here. And here is one of them. This is the Stuart Weitzman Ellsie heels, and they're kind of a wraparound shoe, which is why they look a little bit funky right now. If I can figure out how to get them the way they should go, they essentially just wrap around the heel, if I can make it look right. But you'll see later on when I actually go ahead and try them on for you. But they're a gorgeous leather shoe. They have a square toe, which I thought I really wouldn't like all that much, but turns out it actually looks really nice on the foot, so don't dog them for the square toe. These were also inspired by the nudist shoes, but they didn't have them, so I didn't get to try them on. Eventually I will check out the nudist shoes because I know they're their most popular, but these ones I am really excited about. So I'm going to put this one down and get the other one out. And what's awesome about these shoes is that I actually managed to get them on sale. All I did was I went in the store, tried them on, I asked the price because there was no ad saying how much it was, no sticker, no nothing. So the salesperson asked me if they were sold pretty much, and I'm like, well, I don't know. And I said, I really don't know the price, and I'm trying not to spend money, because I was actually not trying to spend money. So she actually offered me 40% off for no reason, just because I wasn't immediately sold, I guess, which is awesome. And I'll let you know how these guys feel on me, because I have had issues with uncomfortable shoes in the past. I do want to compare them to Louboutin sandals and even my Valentinos, which if you've seen my review of those, you know those things were not so wonderful. So I will definitely give these a go. I'll go ahead and let you see the try on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!